Chapter 14. Visit to Forest. We will learn Importance of Forest, Tribes of India, Sacred Groves, Deforestation, Forest Conservation. The large area of land which is thickly covered with trees and shrubs is called a forest. Forests are useful for all of us. Importance of forest. Forests have always been of great importance to man since early times. Prehistoric people obtained food from wild plants and by hunting animals. They lived in forests that provided them with all the basic needs. Forests serve modern man in many ways. Today, we get wood, latex to make rubber, gum, oils, etc. from the forest. Forests help to conserve the soil as roots of trees do not allow the soil to erode. Forests keep the air clean by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. So they are the lungs of the environment. Tribes of India. India is a big country. Different states have different tribes. There are many tribes in India. They differ from one another in their cultures, languages, customs, costumes and religions. Forests are home to many tribal people. Some of them are Santals, Bihar; Mundas, Bihar; Garos, Assam; Nagas, Manipur. States of India. Tribes found: Andhra Pradesh, Chanchus, Gonds; Kerala, Kanis, Uralis; Rajasthan, Bhils, Meena; Sikkim, Bhutias, Lepchas. Dependence of tribal people on the forest. The tribal people depend on forests for food, wood, fruits, seeds, honey, wax, herbs, building materials and clothing. They make baskets and toys from bamboo and cane. They know the art of making perfumes from the wildflowers. Some of them specialize in making plates and bowls from sal leaves. They sell these products in the local markets called hats to earn their living. Sacred groves. Many tribal societies in our country worship nature. They worship many plants and animals. The peepal, banyan and neem trees are considered sacred trees. At religious festivals, these trees are decorated and worshipped. An area of the forest which has significant religious connection and are supposed to protect the people are called sacred groves. These groves are sacred as they are said to be associated with some deities. Tribal people protect these groves and do not allow people to cut trees. Hence, they promote conservation of forest. Deforestation. Cutting down forest is called deforestation. It is either done to clean land for cultivation or to establish towns. The trees are also cut down to obtain wood. But deforestation has many adverse effects. As roots of trees bind the soil and prevent soil erosion, so when deforestation occurs, the soil becomes loose and gets easily eroded. Deforestation has made animals homeless. It has led to natural calamities like landslides and floods. It has made the survival of tribal people very difficult. It affects the climate adversely. Fact file: deforestation results in global warming. Forest conservation. We need to protect our forest. Nowadays, forests cannot be cleared without the permission of the government. Our government has set up many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in almost every part of our country to protect the trees from being cut down. It has also launched many programs like social forestry movements and One Mahotsav to plant more trees. One Mahotsav is 1 week-long festival that is organized every year in the month of July across India. It was initiated by K.M. Munshi in 1950. We should take care of our trees and forests. They are our wealth. We should protect them. A green world is the best gift we can give to our future generations. Chipko movement. In 1973, villages in the Alaknanda Valley in Uttarakhand protested against the cutting down of trees. The women hugged the trees and refused to let go till the tree cutters left the place. This activity became popular as the Chipko movement. Sundarlal Bahuguna was the leader of the Chipko movement. Keyword: tribes, a community of customs and traditions. Sacred, religious. Deforestation, cutting down trees. Protested, disapproved for something. Points to recall. A large area of land which is thickly covered with trees and shrubs is called a forest. We get many things from the forest like wood, latex, gum, fodder, fruits and medicines. Many Indian tribes depend upon forest for their livelihood. Cutting down a forest is called deforestation. We all need to make efforts to protect our forest. Sundarlal Bahuguna was the leader of the Chipko movement.